My name is Anjan.
My name is Lakshmi.
Actually, we are browsing in the market, and one of my friends Shafat recommend Sandy, mentioning that he is starting his new business. So if I could go through his company, that would be better. So probably I was the first customer for him to build this house. There was a lot of competition. If I go through the reputed one, the cost gonna be high. The new builder means new opportunity.
And he gives lots of inclusions and lots of things that other homes didn't give. So we just choose Vision Homes.
We built our house pretty much in the mid-COVID session, and the natural, there was the flooding as well. It took a long time, but eventually they were able to give us the house. That makes pretty much happier.
He was pretty quick, and if we have problems, then he will just say like, I will come and fix it.
Yes, I would like to recommend Vision Homes. They are very good builders, and basically Safat is one of my good friend who is doing a good progress in this organization.